Okay, here now we have a simple problem of volumetric strain. Okay, so here is a rectangular long bar. So you read with me this problem. A 400 long bar has a rectangular cross section. 400 cross section is 10 by 30 Okay, then this bar is subjected to 15 kilonewton tensile force on 10 by 30 face. Yes, this will be a 10 by 30 face, right? So the tensile force will be 15 kilonewton. Then 80 kilonewton compressive force. Compressive means it will be inward. Okay, compressive force on 10 by 400 face. Then 180 kilonewton is on 30 by 400 It's here also 30 by 400 phase. Then find the change in volume. Means we have to find delta V, right? Delta. Then E. E is given. So E is 2 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per square. Here it is given in Newton. So we have to convert everything in a Newton. Okay, mu is equal to 0.3 also given. Then we can take any of this will be 1, 2, and 3 order. Okay, so sigma 1 P1 is equal to 15 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. P2 is equal to P2 will take 180 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Then P3 will be compressive, right? So we can take it as minus 80 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Then area for the P1, what will be the area? P1 is apply on 30 by 10 phase. So area will be 30 by 10. Okay. Then A2 will be A2 is 180. So this phase will be 30 by 400, right? 30 by 400. Then A3 will be 80 kilonewton. So which phase? 400 by 10 square. So here is 300 square. Here is 12,000 square. Here will be 4,000 square. We know volumetric strain EV is equal to EL plus EV plus ET. Okay, मतलब means E1 plus E2 plus E3 you can also you can say. Then what will be the EL? EL is the formula, you know, E is equal to stress upon strain, right? Then E will be stress upon E. Okay, but here is in a volumetric strength, we have to consider also another phases also. Okay, not only single sigma, we have to consider all sigmas. Okay, sigma means P upon A, so P1 upon A1 E, then minus of P2 A2 E into Poisson's ratio, minus of P3 A3 E into mu. Okay, then you can find out simply by putting all the values. Okay, 15 into 10 raised to 3 divided by area 300 into E will be 2 into 10 raised to 5 minus 0.3 mu value. 0.3 into P2 will be 180 into 10 raised to 3 divided by P2 A2 is 12,000 into 2 into 10 raised to 5, then minus of P3 value is negative 18 into 80 into 10 raised to 3, mu will be 0.3, sorry, divided by A3 will be 4,000 into E will be 2 into 10 raised to 5. Okay, so EL will be, what is EL? You can calculate by using a calc. Okay, so it will be what? It will be 2 point, sorry, okay, positive of 2.575 into 10 raised to minus 4. Similarly, you can calculate EB. EB will be P2 upon A1E negative of mu P3 upon A3E negative of mu of P1 upon A, here is 1, so A1 E. Okay, yes, here also we can put all the values. P2 will be 12,000 divided by, sorry, P2 will be 180, right? So 180 into 10 raised to 3 means 180,000. Then A1 will be, sorry, here will be A2. it will be 12,000 into 2 into 10 raised to 5. 0.3 into P3 will be negative 80 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 3. 4,000 into 2 into 10 raised to 5. Negative of 0.3 into P1 is 15 into 10 raised to 3 will be 15,000. Then A1 is 300 into E will be 2 into 10 raised to 5. Okay. AB's answer will be, what will be? AB is plus 0.3 into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay. Strain has no units. So ET we can find by a similar problem formula. Here we have to take only P3 divided by 3 E minus negative of P2 by A2E minus of P1 by A1 E. You can put all the values and you will get the value of minus of 1.975 into 10 raised to 3. Okay, you can do it by yourself. Then simply for EV you can make a sum of all of this. EL plus EL plus EB plus ET will be, what is EL? 2.575 into 10 raised to minus 4. Then plus 0.3 into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, we are taking from here, and here is minus 4. Okay, so minus 1.975 into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, we are taking here. So here is EV, right? EV value will be plus 0.9 into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, what is EV? EV means delta V upon V. So delta V upon V will be plus 0.9 into 10 raised to minus 4, right? So what will be a delta V will be plus 0.9 into 10 raised to minus 4 into V. Okay, then I'm calculating here. Okay, delta V is equal to plus 0.9 into 10 raised to minus 4 into, what will be a V? V will be 400 into 10 to 30. Okay, so will be 400 into 10 into 30. So delta V will be plus 10.8 mm cube. Okay, positive sign means it will expand. Okay, that's all. And here will be your homework problem. Okay.